Good morning, children. In your last class, Shanti Miss has told about singular and plural. Once again, I will revise the topic. Let us see. Children, what is singular? If the thing is one, we can call it singular. If the thing is one, we can call it singular. S-I-N-G-U-L-A-R. Singular. If the thing is one, we will call it singular. If the one is more than one, if the thing is more than one, we can say plural. That is P-L-U-R-A-L. Plural. Let us see. If the thing is one, we should say singular. If the thing is only one, children, we can say singular. It comes under singular. If the thing is more than one, we can say plural. We can say plural. Let me show you some examples. For example, children, what is this? This is a cow. What is this?
Cow.
This is a cow. This is a cow. This is one only. Yes or not? So we can say cow. It comes under singular. Cow comes under singular. C-O-W. Cow. Children, if the cows are more than one, see children, if the cows are more than one, what we can say?
Many.
We can say many. These are many cows, not one. So we can say plural, cows. We can say cows. What we have to say? Cows. C-O-W. At the end of the word, for the plural words, we should add S. Okay, children? C-O-W-S. Cows. These are more children, not many. More than one, many. We can say cows. In the same way. What is this, children?
Monkey.
This is a monkey. What is this, children?
Monkey.
Very good. What is this?
Monkey.
The monkey is only one. One is in my hand. So we can say singular. What is this? Singular. What is the spelling of monkey, children? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. If the thing is one, we can say singular. For children, but how many monkeys are here? Two more. Many monkeys are here. So we can say monkeys. This is plural. If the thing is one, we can say singular. If the things are more than one, many, we can say
Monkeys.
plural. But we can say these are plural children. So, what is the spelling of monkeys? M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. At the end of the word, we have to keep yes for the plural. Yes, monkeys. Now, what is this, children? This is a tiger. What is this? This is a tiger. This is only one. We can say plural. What is this? This comes under plural. What is the
Plural, singular.
Sorry, children. This is singular. It comes under singular.
It is one.
Only one. This is only one. That's why you can say singular. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Now, how many are there in my hand, children? Many are there, not one. So we can say plural. These we can call it the tigers. It comes under plural. Tigers. These are tigers. T-I-G-E-R-S. Tigers. At the end of the word, we have to add S for the plural forms. So, tigers. Now, what is this, children? Tree. What is this? Tree. Only one is there in my hand. But I can say this is singular. This is singular. What is the spelling of tree, children? T-R-E-E. Tree. What is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. So children, how many are there in my hand? Many trees are there in my hand. So we can say
Many.
plural. What is this? What it comes under plural form. So this is plural. Trees. We can say trees because these are many, not only one. So we can say trees. It comes under plural. Now, T R E E S, trees. Okay, children. Now, what is this, children?
Girl.
This is a girl. What is this?
Girl.
This is a girl. Only one girl is there. So we can say singular. We can say singular. What is the spelling of girl? G I R L. Girl. This is only one girl. Now, how many girls are there? Many girls are there in my hand. Not only one, many girls are there in my hand. So I can say girls. Girls comes under plural. Girls comes under plural. These are girls. So we should write G I R L S. Girls. For the plural, at the end of the word we should add S. Okay, children. This is the topic which Champions has explained to you. Okay, children. Today once again I revise you. So now I'll go to new topic. Not new. You have already learned in your previous classes. That is the concept of descent that I will again revise you. Now, children, where do you use this? If the object is only one and nearer to you, you can say you will use this. For example, see children, what is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a car. The car is in my hand. It is nearer to me. Yes or not? So I can say this. This is a car. What is this, children? I have to say this because this is in my hand. The thing is only one. And nearer I can touch this. This is nearer to me. So I can say this. This is a car. What I have to say? This is a car. What I have to say, children? This is a car. But if the car is not nearer to me, it is far from me. What I can say? That. Because I cannot touch the car, I have to move some distance to touch that. So that I can say that. That is a car. That is a car because it is far from me, children. Not nearer to me. So I can say that. I have to show that is not in my hand. If the car is in my hand and nearer to me, handy to me, I can say this. If the car is far from me, I cannot touch the car. I have to move some distance to touch that car. So that I say, that is a car. What we have to say, children? That is it. That అంటే దూరంగా ఉంటుందమ్మా, మన దగ్గరగా ఉండదు. మనము దాని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ముట్టుకుంటాం కదా. So that we can say that. అది, that is a car. So ఇది నా చేతిలో ఉంది. I can touch this. So nearer to me, నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉందమ్మా. I can say this. This is a car. In the same way.
What is a chapel?
Now, that, see children, what is this? This is a girl. This is a girl. A girl is in my hand. It is nearer to me. So I can say, this is a girl. This is a girl. This is one thing, only one object and it is in my hand. Nearer to me. I can say this. This is a girl. If the girl is far from me, I can say that. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. That is a girl. Because the girl is not in my hand and not nearer to me. It is far from me. So I can say that. I cannot touch the girl. I have to move some more distance to the girl so that I can say that. That is a girl. That is a girl. See children, I am showing the girl. The girl is not in my hand, not nearer to me. So I can That is a girl. That is a girl. Now, what is this, children? What is this? Tree. The tree is in my hand, and this is only one thing nearer to me. See, children, it is in my hand only. What I have to say? This is a tree. This is a tree. This we have to use this. THIS. This is a tree. Now, if the tree is not nearer to me, far from me, I have to show the tree. So I can say that is a tree. That is a tree. See, I am showing, children. That is not in my hand. That is far from me, some more distance to me. What I have to say? That is a tree. That is a tree. Now, what is this, children? This is a tiger. See, children, the object is one and it is in my hand, nearer to me. It is nearer to me. So I can say this is a tiger. This is a tiger. For example, children, if the tiger is far from me, see, I have to show. That is not in my hand and not nearer to me. That is far from me. Now I can say that is a tiger. See, I am showing the tiger. Yes or not? So, that is a tiger. See, I am showing the tiger, children. That is a tiger. This is not nearer to me. This is far from me. So, I can say that is a tiger. What is the spelling of that, children? T-H-A-T. That. The object is far from me. That time you can use that. T-H-A-T. That. Okay. Now, what is this?
Shirt.
This is a shirt. This is only one shirt. So, and this is in my hand. Yes or not? This is in my hand and nearer to me. I can touch this. So, I can say this is a shirt. This is a shirt. If the shirt is far from me. See, children, this is far from me. I have to move some distance to touch the shirt. So I can say that. I have to show that is a shirt. What is that? That is a shirt. I have to ask what is that, children? I should not ask what is this because it is not nearer to me. What is that? That is a shirt. That is a shirt.
తెలుగులో
అమ్మా, అది నాకు దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా. నేనున్న ప్లేస్లోంచి అది కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉంది. అప్పుడు మనం దట్ అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. THAT. దట్. అదే ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నాకు ఇలా దగ్గరగా ఉందనుకోండి అమ్మా, చూడండి, అదే షర్ట్ నా చేతిలో ఉంది, నేను ఇలా టచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఐ కెన్ సే దిస్. THIS. దిస్. ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యూజ్ చేయడానికి దిస్ అనే పదాన్ని వాడతాం. అదే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనకి కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉంది, అది నా చేతిలో లేదు కదా, ఐ హ్యావ్ టు షో. అందువల్ల దాన్ని దట్ అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ వన్, నియరర్ టు us, we can use this. If the object is far from us, so we can use that. Got it, children? Now, children, if the objects are more than one and nearer to us, we can say these. We can say these. Children, the objects are one only one. If the objects are only one, not only one, children, more than one and nearer to us, we can say these. Because అమ్మ నా చేతిలో ఉన్నవి ఒక షర్ట్ కంటే ఎక్కువ షర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా. మెనీ షర్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్. సో ఐ కెన్ సే అండ్ నియరర్ టు మీ, నా దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయి చూడండి అమ్మా, నా చేతిలో ఉన్నాయి. ఐ కెన్ సే దీస్. I can say these are shirts. These are shirts. Because these are plural, amma, more than one, many. We can say these are shirts. These are shirts. Because these are many, more than one and nearer to me. Mana చేతిలో దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయమ్మా. I can say these are shirts. These are shirts. For example, I already told you about, see children, this is monkey and many monkeys are there in my hand. So I can say these are nearer to me and handy. These are in my hand. I can say these are monkeys. If the thing is more than one and nearer to us, మనకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వస్తువులను చెప్పడానికి these, ఇవి అని యూజ్ చేస్తామమ్మా. These are monkeys. These are monkeys. Okay, children? Children, see how many cows are there in my hand? Many cows are there in my hand. 2 cows are there in my hand. I can say these are cows because these are nearer to me. These are in my hand. I can say these are cows. Children, if the cows are far from me and many, I can say those. T-H-O-S-E, those. I can say T-H
These are
O-S-E, those. Amma, T-H-O-S-E, those. Those are cows. I can say those are cows because those are far from me, not nearer to me. So I can say those are cows. See children, amma నాకు కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉన్నాయమ్మా అవి నాకు దగ్గరగా లేవు ఇవి అనుకోండి నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయి దీస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్స్ నియరర్ టు మీ నా చేతిలో ఉన్నాయి దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయి బట్ దోస్ ఆర్ ఫార్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉన్నాయమ్మా ఐ కెన్ సే దోస్ అండ్ మోర్ దాన్ వన్ అండ్ నియరర్ నాట్ నియరర్ టు మీ సో ఐ కెన్ సే దోస్ ఆర్ కౌస్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సే దోస్ ఆర్ కౌస్ నౌ what are these children? These are toy horses. What are they? These are toy horses and more than one, many, and in my hand and nearer to me. Yes or not? These are nearer to me. I can say these are toy horses. What are these? These are toy horses. If the toy horses are not nearer to me and far from me, amma chaala దూరంగా ఉన్నాయి నాకు far from me. What I have to say? Those. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Avi antamama. Those are toy horses. Those are toy horses. Those are not nearer to me. Those are far from me. Some more distance to me. So I have to say those are toy horses. Now, look at this picture, children. What is this? This is a ball. What is this, children? This is a ball. See, children, the ball is nearer to me. I can show this. See, this is nearer to my hand. This is handy to me. I have to say this. T-H-I-S. This. This is a ball. T-H-I-S. This. అమ్మా ఇది నాకు చేతికి దగ్గరగా ఉందమ్మా ఇది నేను ముట్టుకున్నా చూడండి ఇక్కడ దగ్గరగా ఉంది నాకు అప్పుడు దిస్ అని చెప్తామమ్మా దిస్ అనే పదాన్ని దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వస్తువులకు మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాం అది కూడా ఒకటేనమ్మా ఒక సింగిల్ వస్తువుకు మాత్రమే మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఒక వస్తువుకు మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఇఫ్ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ అండ్ నియరర్ టు us we should say this is a ball T-H-I-S this I-S is A B-A-L-L ball this is a ball amma see children what is this is a ball children amma a single ball only single ball if see children is the ball is nearer to me it is in my hand it is nearer to my hand that ball no that is far from me yes or not that is more far from me I have to say that amma a thing na చేతికి దగ్గరగా లేదమ్మా I have to show from my distance from my place నేను నుంచిన చోటు దాన్ని చూపిస్తున్నానమ్మా అది నాకు దగ్గరగా లేదు నా చేయి దగ్గర లేదు సో I have to say that is a ball T-H-A-T that T-H-A-T that I-S is A B-A-L-L ball that is a ball see I am showing ma that is not in my hand and not nearer to me far from me that is a ball now what is this అమ్మా అది నాకు చాలా దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా నాకు దగ్గరగా లేదు I have to move some distance to touch that so from my place నేను ఉంచిన ప్లేస్ నుంచి నేను చూపిస్తాను చూడండి అమ్మా అది నాకు ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ బాల్ నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉంది నేను చూపిస్తున్నాను మళ్ళీ నా దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి టచ్ చేశాను బట్ చూడండి దిస్ ఇస్ ఫార్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ నాకు దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా సో I have to say that అనే పదాన్ని దూరంగా ఉన్న వస్తువులని చెప్పడానికి వాడతామమ్మా దట్ దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తామమ్మా ఇఫ్ ద థింగ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ నియరర్ టు us అమ్మా ఫార్ ఫ్రమ్ us దూరంగా ఉన్న వస్తువులను చెప్పడం గురించి చెప్పడానికి దట్ వాడతామమ్మా T-H-A-T దట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం నౌ What is this, children? This is a tree. Children, see, this is in my, I can touch, this is not nearer to me. The thing is only one and nearer to me. అమ్మా ఇది ఒక్కటే ఉంది, ఈ ట్రీ ఒక్కటే ఉందమ్మా, నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉందమ్మా, ఆ థింగ్ నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉంది. I have to say this, THIS, this is a tree. అమ్మా ఇది నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉంది, నా చేతికి దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఏం చెప్పాలి, దిస్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయాలి. THIS, this, IS, is, a, TREE, tree. This is a tree. This is a tree because the tree is nearer to me. నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉంది. I can show this. Now, see children, what is that? See children, that is the tree is nearer to me. Can I touch the tree? So I have to show from my place. So I have to show. I cannot touch the tree. So I can say that. That is far from me, children. See, I have to show. సో అమ్మ నేను చూపిస్తున్నాను దాన్ని, అది నా చేతి దగ్గర లేదు, అది నా చేతికి కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా. సో ఐ కెన్ సే దట్, THAT, దట్, IS, ఈజ్, A, TREE, ట్రీ. దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ట్రీ. దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ట్రీ. See children, if the thing is only one and far from us, we can say that. That is a tree. That is a tree. Now, coming to next one. Children, అమ్మా ఇది నాకు ఈ బాల్ దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి దిస్ అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేసి నేను చెప్పాను. అదే ఈ బాల్ నాకు దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా, నా చేతి దగ్గర దూరంగా ఉంది, అందుకే నేను దట్ అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేసి చెప్పాను. అమ్మా మీకు కూడా డిఫరెన్స్ తెలియాలమ్మా. దీని యొక్క దిస్ అనేది ఎక్కడ వాడతామమ్మా, ఒక వస్తువు ఏదైనా మనకి దగ్గరగా చేతిలో హ్యాండీగా ఉంటే దానికి దిస్ అనే పదాన్ని వాడతాం. అదే వస్తువు దూరంగా ఉంటే మన నుంచి దూరంగా ఉంటుంది మనకి, అప్పుడు మనం దట్ అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అది అని చెప్తాం, అది ఒక బంతి అలా చెప్పడానికి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ బాల్, ఇది దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ బాల్ అని చెప్పామమ్మా. అదే బాల్ మనకి దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా, అందుకని మనం దట్ ఈజ్ ఎ బాల్ అని చెప్పాము. నౌ హియర్ ఆల్సో ద ట్రీ ఈజ్ నియరర్ టు మీ, నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉందమ్మా, నా చేతికి దగ్గరగా ఉంది, అందుకని దిస్ అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేసాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ ట్రీ. ద ట్రీ ఈజ్ నాట్ నియరర్ టు మీ, సీ దేర్, దట్ ఈస్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఫార్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ, నాకు కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉందమ్మా, అందుకని దాన్ని దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ట్రీ అని చెప్పాను. ఇఫ్ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ నియరర్, మనకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వస్తువుల గురించి చెప్పడానికి దిస్ అనే పదాన్ని వాడతామమ్మా. అదే వస్తువులు మనకి దూరంగా ఉంటే అది ఒక వస్తువు అయితేనే, సింగిల్, ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ సింగిల్, ఒకటైతే చెప్పడానికి దట్ అనే పదాన్ని వాడతామమ్మా. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ టాపిక్ వెల్, అండ్ in the next class you will go to learn some question and answers and new words. Until then, bye.